Hey guys, so as promised, we're gonna take a look how to fix the hammer spring of the VFC M17. So here we go. So first off, remove the mag, set the gun to safe, right slide, lock in position, flip the lever. There goes the slide. We don't need to take care of it. And then the whole chassis can be taken out by just first remove this pin. There we go. Just basically pull it out, and then here's the entire trigger assembly. Yep, there you go. That's the frame. We don't need to take care of it again. So here's the chassis. Inside, you can see there's actually a tiny screw here. That's actually a hex screw. So use a hex key to take out the screw. So do that now. It's a tiny screw, so don't lose it. Put it on the table. Underneath there is a little kind of pin or bearing, whatever you guys would call it. So be careful that it will kind of bounce off if you just yank the whole safety out. So basically pull the safety out, but be careful of the bearing. There you go. So here's the safety, and here's the little bearing. And as you can see, it's really small, so don't lose it. Pull the trigger, and then this safety, pull this out. It's also act as a pin for the hammer. Yep, there you go. Put this aside, and then we're gonna pull the hammer out. As you can see, I have a new hammer spring inside. I use a Cow Technology 140% hammer spring, and then I basically cut part of the spring out by using this plier. So you basically use the cutter part of the plier and just cut it off. So it actually fit into the chassis. But this spring is not enough to produce the original power of this gun. The stock power of this gun, or the stock muscle energy of this gun, is about 1.3 joules with 0.28. The 140% hammer spring from Cow Technology is not enough to produce 1.3 joules. It's only capable of around 0.9 joules, something like that, and the blowback is not very consistent. So I would recommend something stronger than this. After you pick your preferred hammer spring, here's the hammer. Put it inside. Make sure the short end connect this part of the hammer, and the slightly longer end peek out from the bottom. Back up your chassis, and then just basically put it back in. And then just line up the hole so you can fit your pin inside. And oh, sorry, forgot. You need to take out this spring that's put extra tension to the trigger. and then pull the trigger. There you go, it's fit right in. And then put back the spring. I recommend you just basically hook into this hole. There we go. There we go. Now it's fitted. Then put back this tiny bearing into the hole. Yep, that's inside. Then put back the other half of the safety in. Then just press it down. Come on. Yep, there we go. Yep, I feel the tension. Then put back the hex screw in. Pull the hammer, deactivate the lock. There we go. Now it's working. So just the next step is simple. Put the chassis back into the frame, hook into the trigger first, and then the tail. Oops. Safety on, the pin inside. Yep, sinks in. There goes the slide. Oops. Oh, the hammer. Yeah, you're gonna have to get used to pull the hammer back first. And then lock the lever. Step forward. Zips working. Empty max with gas in. Yay! Nice. So now it's working. Hope this tutorial helped you guys to fix your VFC M17 if you have a broken hammer spring. Just basically make sure you to pick up the right Glock hammer spring for this gun. I would recommend something that is equals or above 150%, and yeah, just basically put it back into the chassis. So hope you guys enjoy, and we'll see you next time.